Hello, my name is Dustin, and since 2014, I've been learning and developing at the British International School of Sulaimaniya. The best factor is however unique you are, you're accepted by every student and every teacher. And the teachers know how to boost your self-esteem, which is incredibly influential to you becoming an intelligent individual.
Hey, my name is Dustin. Currently, I'm studying at the British International School of Sulaimaniya. We have highly experienced and friendly teachers, as well as an inspirational learning environment with excellent education.
Hi, my name is Kenzie and I have been in the school for 4 years. I'm currently an IGCSE student and I have learned so many new topics throughout the years. I enjoy coming to school. The teachers are so nice and they always encourage you to learn. I cannot wait to be an A-level student.
Hello, my name is Prusha. I came to BIS at 2014. Since coming here, I have noticed that the teachers are kind and the students are unique. Everyone here is so accepting and willing to befriend anyone.
Hello, my name is Julian. I'm an A-level student. I have been a student in BIS for 2 years now. Both my friends and my teachers have been incredibly supportive. My tutors continuously push us to study outside of our curriculum to help us learn a broader perspective of knowledge.
Hi, my name is Melina and I'm in year 7. I've been in the school for 7 years, which is amazing mentally and physically. The school has taught many children how to learn and speak in English, and it's really amazing because of all the students from around the world.
Hello, my name is Ahmed Naqshbandi. I'm an AS level student. I only came here a few months ago, but I was warmly welcomed with open arms. The teachers have been more than helpful, helping me adapt to the environment and the examination styles that what I've been used to.